You want to create your own job, one that pays you well, gives you control, and can grow into a six-figure business. That's doable. Today, you'll get a clear, practical how-to plan that walks you from idea to scaling without getting lost in jargon. Ready? Let's break it down step by step. Start with mindset. Clarity beats hustle. Picture the crisp feel of a brand new notebook. Before you write anything, decide what success means to you. Is it income, time freedom, creative control, impact, or all of the above? Name 3 non-negotiables. Keep them visible. When you're clear, choices get simpler. Shift from "I need a job" to "I will create a job that solves a problem." Problems are currency. People pay to solve pain, gain, or to avoid risk. Make the problem you solve the center of your work, not the product or service first. 2. Inventory your strengths. Honest and specific. Grab that notebook. List skills you already have, experiences people compliment you on, and things you enjoy under pressure. Be specific. Good at explaining complicated ideas beats good communicator. You're building a bridge between what you can do and what people will pay for. Add credibility signals too, past results, testimonials, or measurable outcomes. If you don't have those yet, plan small, fast experiments to get them. A single case study can flip a maybe into a paying client. 3. Find a market that pays. Test, don't assume. Ideas are cheap. Validation is everything. Pick 3 potential customer groups who share a clear problem. Interview them. Ask about their frustrations, what they tried, and how much they'd pay to fix it. Run small tests. 1 paid ad, 1 simple landing page, or offer a discounted pilot to 5 people. The goal is a yes with money attached. If someone gives you cash, even small, you've validated demand. 4. Choose a scalable business model. Pick the path. There are common paths that scale to 6 figures. Productized services. Package a repeatable service at a fixed price. Digital products. Courses, templates, toolkits. Coaching or consulting. Higher price, deeper relationships. SaaS or membership. Recurring revenue. You don't need them all. Start with one that fits your skills and market. Productized services often convert fastest because they're rooted in human labor you already do. Digital products scale faster later. 5. Price for value, not for time. People don't buy hours, they buy outcomes. Instead of charging hourly, set prices based on the result you deliver. If you help someone get $10K a month more in revenue, charging $2K makes sense. Use tiers, an entry offering for newcomers, a mid-tier that delivers core transformation, and a premium option for high-touch results. Use anchoring. Show a high-priced option to make mid-tier feel reasonable. Communicate what each tier includes in clear, tangible outcomes. 6. Create a simple funnel. Attention to action. A funnel is just a path you build so people move from noticing you to paying you. Keep it simple. Awareness. Useful content that solves a small problem. Lead capture. A free checklist, short template, or mini training. Conversion. A paid offer or a strategy call. Make every step low friction. Your lead magnet should solve a micro problem and clearly point to your paid solution. Test everything. If people drop off at one point, tweak that step. Content that converts. Teach, don't sell. Content is how people find you and decide you're credible. Adopt a teaching-first approach. Show a real problem, explain a clear solution, and end with a next step. Use short, punchy formats for social and longer formats for email or video. Mix formats, a 60-second hook, a 5-minute explainer, and a deeper 20-minute walkthrough. Your goal is to build trust and demonstrate competence. Over time, content becomes an asset that attracts leads consistently. 8. Sales without sleaze, framework and empathy. Sales is not manipulation, it's problem matching. Use a discovery framework. Listen, what's the outcome they want? Clarify, what stopped them so far? Present. This is the plan that works for people like you. Close. Ask the decision. Practice having real conversations, not scripts. The more you help someone see how they get from problem to result, the easier it is for them to say yes. 9. Systems and simple operations. Repeatability is key. You want your business to run without chaos. Automate what you can. Email sequences, invoices, scheduling. Create templates for proposals, onboarding, and deliverables. Standardize the steps you take for each client or product launch so the work is predictable. Document processes as you go. If you ever hire, this documentation becomes the manual for new people. Repeatability is how you free time and scale. 10. Cash flow and pricing milestones. Aim for steady cash flow first. Don't wait for a perfect model. Map revenue targets, monthly, quarterly, annually. Break the 6-figure mark into bite-sized goals. For example, $8,333 per month equals $100K per year. Figure out how many sales at each price point gets you there. Keep a simple budget: revenue, fixed costs, variable costs, and a safety buffer. Reinvest early profits in marketing, product development, or hiring to accelerate growth. 11. Hiring and delegation. Leverage your time. Once your process is repeatable and revenue is consistent, hire for tasks that consume your time, but don't require your unique skill. Start with a virtual assistant, then a project manager, then specialists. Hire slow, delegate fast. Teach rather than expect. When you offload work, invest time up front creating good documentation and feedback loops. That reduces friction and increases output. 12. Scale with offers and channels. Diversify carefully. Scaling means increasing revenue without a matching increase in your workload. Options: raise prices and refine your positioning. Launch a digital product or membership for recurring revenue. Use partnerships and affiliate channels to expand reach. Test one new channel at a time. If social works, double down there. If paid ads are converting, optimize before pouring more budget. Track metrics that matter: cost per lead, conversion rate, and customer lifetime value. 13. Resilience and learning. Feedback is your compass. You'll get rejected, lose clients, and have launches that underperform. That's normal. The key is to treat feedback like data. When something fails, ask, what did the market tell me? What was unclear? What part of the funnel broke? Experiment often, but commit to a learning cycle. Hypothesize, test, measure, and iterate. Small, frequent experiments beat rare, big swings. 14. Daily routines that sustain you. Your personal energy fuels the business. Build routines that keep you focused. A short morning review, a 2-hour deep work block for high-value tasks, and a daily closeout where you plan tomorrow. Keep a weekly review to monitor goals and finances. Boundaries matter. Designate office hours and stick to them. Your job is to create predictable progress, not constant busyness. 15. Real stories in micro. Quick examples. Imagine you offer a productized design package. You charge $3K, deliver in 4 weeks, and automate follow-ups. 1 month, you convert 5 clients. That's $15K. That's one repeatable offer. Or build a $500 digital course and get 200 sales per year. That's $100K. Both paths are real, and both start with the same steps: validate, price for value, and systemize delivery. Final checklist. What to do next. Actionable. Define your 3 non-negotiables. List your top 5 skills and 1 problem they solve. Interview 5 potential customers this week. Create 1 simple lead magnet and 1 paid offer. Set a revenue goal for the next 90 days and list 2 tactics to reach it. Wrap up. Keep it human. This is about creating purposeful work that pays. You won't need perfection. You'll need clarity, small experiments, and the discipline to create systems that repeat. Move deliberately, measure results, and adjust. Your job becomes a business when it consistently solves a problem and brings money in predictably. If you take one thing from this, let it be this: design around the problem people will pay to fix, not the idea you want to build. Build small, prove it, then scale. You've got a map now. The rest is execution. Pick one step, take it today, and keep going.